looking to make innovative and new lunchbox recipes, and today I'm going to show you guys a very nice, interesting recipe which is Scrambled Paneer Chapati, which is otherwise known as Paneer Kothu Chapati. Now this is a great recipe that your kids and everybody will enjoy at home. So let's get started and check out the recipe. For this recipe, I have 5 pieces of homemade chapati. So I'm just going to roll it all together. I'm just going to chop them. So you can see I have these chapatis which I've cut into small pieces. Keep the chapati bits aside. I have 200 grams of paneer. I've cut into large cubes. I'm just going to roughly crumble it. I'm just going to add half teaspoon of Chaat Masala powder just to give it a little flavor, and half teaspoon of Kashmiri Chilli powder. Just mix it together. You can also add amchur powder if you don't have Chaat Masala, so that's another option. Keep this aside. I'm going to pound 5 cloves of garlic and a few pieces of ginger. Take a nice white pan. I'm going to add 1.5 tablespoons of oil. First add the pound ginger garlic. Next add 1 chopped green chilli. To this I'm going to add 2 medium-sized onions, roughly chopped. Saute the onions till they're a nice golden brown color. So the onions have turned to a nice golden brown color. Next add the chopped tomatoes. For this recipe I've taken 3 large tomatoes. Saute the tomatoes for about 5 minutes. You can see they are nicely mashed up. To this I'm going to add 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, 2 teaspoons Kashmiri red chilli powder, 1 teaspoon Garam Masala powder, 1 teaspoon Cumin powder. Next add 1 teaspoon of salt. You can adjust the salt according to taste. Mix everything. Now add the crumbled paneer. Since I've crumbled the paneer, it's not going to take too much time to cook. So once you've mixed it with onions and tomatoes, so you can see it's become nice and soft. Now I'm immediately going to add the chapati bits. Keep the flame on low and let it cook for about 5 minutes till everything is well combined and all the flavors are set in. Turn off the stove. Finally add some chopped coriander leaves. Give it a quick mix. Scrambled Paneer Chapati is ready to be served. Make sure you serve it nice and hot. So this dish can be enjoyed as is. It's a meal by itself. So there you go, you've seen the recipe, how interesting and how tempting and delicious it looks. So this makes for a very good lunchbox recipe, and if you have any leftover chapatis, you can also make it with that, and make sure you buy fresh paneer while making this. So do try this recipe and enjoy. You can get a copy of our first edition of the home cooking book on 21 Frames.